Hey, everyone! Introducing OHill Desk Cable Management Cord Organizer, the ultimate solution for keeping your cords organized and clutter-free. Let's delve into the top features. Keep your desk organized. Litte Neat Cable Cord Holder will help those cluttered cables and cords around your desk, TV, power strip, filing cabinets, computer, or cell phone much nicer, organized, and safer. Multipurpose. You can use them as table cable organzier, cable management kit, cord organizer, wire keeper, flexible and easy to install wherever you want. Soft rubber and sturdy sticky pad. Made of soft rubber and extra strong sticky pad, which holds them securely, adhered easily to multiple surfaces. Easily removed without leaving glues, pad. Easy to use. Simply peel and stick your adhesive cable clip anywhere. Please kindly take a moment to the surface before sticking them, which make them holding tight. Easy installation. Installing OHill cable clips is a breeze. Simply peel off the backing and press them onto any smooth surface for instant cable organization. No tools or special skills required. Versatile design. OHill cable clips feature a versatile design that can accommodate cables of various sizes and shapes. From charging cables to headphone cords, they can handle them all with ease. Upgrade your cable management game with OHill cable clips today and say goodbye to cable clutter for good. Click the link in the description to order yours now. Give it thumbs up, subscribe for more tech content, and hit that notification bell. Thanks for watching.